So, Hank and I are building his first engine. Comes with some pretty decent directions and a whole bunch of parts that are mostly faithful to what you would find in a typical 4-cylinder engine. But the one thing that I find absolutely hysterical, and I didn't think about this, I dropped a screw down in here. Yeah, you know what that means? My son gets to learn his first lesson on what it's like to build an engine. Take it all apart again, Hank. That's life as a motor builder. Okay, I think we did it. Let's try it. Let's plug it in. You ready, Hank?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. What? We did it! Yay! Okay, now that we're done, I just want to say, don't do this! Don't do this with your 3-year-old. Oh, it was an absolute nightmare. Oh my gosh, I can't do it again. Holy moly. That was too many pieces. And he just wanted to play with every single one of them. That was fun. Love you guys. Have a good one.